but we're going to wrap.
Money in the bank.
Rates are good. Pretty exciting.
You know why? Why?
Free money. You understand what I'm saying?
Welcome back to the program. Thanks for staying with us. This is your Real Estate Chalk Talk. 612-627-8000 for real estate needs. 651-231-2500 if you want to get the best deal in Minnesota right now on mortgage. It's fantastic, Kelvin.
It is fantastic.
So
and rates are back.
Rates are back
This
up or
morning.
back down?
No, back down.
Oh,
back
wow.
down, yeah. So inflation under control.
Must be under control.
Everything's under control again.
Yeah, post-election, everything is under control.
I don't know if you knew that.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's back. Or it could just be that year over year the increase is more softer, right?
Doesn't look as bad.
Doesn't look as bad, so suddenly everything's back.
Right.
Which is, you used a different term this morning at coffee that we won't talk about here, but, about just the rampant stupidity of, the fact that.
Of the general consumer.
Right.
That they are
just
so
like
easily fooled over stuff like that.
It's a year over year measurement, right? So, but hey.
Well, that's like we were talking in the first segment, right? Of like just the behavior that people exhibit based on their content they're consuming.
Right.
Yeah.
Like media will literally drive people to riot or, just do nothing.
Or shut down
right.
any
Or
kind.
shut down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so this morning I'll just read here real quick. This consumer price index, which measures inflation on the consumer level, was reported at 0.4% in October, which was lower than expectations of 0.6 and decreased by 0.5% to 7.7% year over year, which is below the 8% estimate. So that is what drove
7.7 versus 8.
Correct.
Big time.
Big time.
Mm-hmm.
Whoop whoop.
Didn't have an 8
Right.
in it. That's the thing.
Right. So again, why do we sell 6.99 rates? Hey, high sixes.
Right.
Versus 7. 7's a high rate. 6.99, not too bad.
Wow. Yeah.
Mhm.
Right.
Crazy, but it is.
Right.
That is the reality. So anyway, so they are, and the core CPI rate, which strips out food and energy prices, increased 0.3. Blah blah blah. So they go on through all this.
Which
all the
is
numbers.
another
Yeah.
thing. It strips out energy and food prices.
Right.
Like
So
what
gas
everybody
and food.
buys.
Yeah, gas and food. We're not going to look at
We're
that.
not gonna let's not look at that.
So,
Fact,
but
your milk has cost you twice as
I don't
much a
understand
gallon
that. Why that
Well,
would even be a thing.
because they want to make it sound better.
yeah. So anyway, so things are a little bit better. Rates opened up. So it's inverse, right? It opened up about 150 basis points, which means rates are getting better. So all you need to know is mortgage interest rates got a little bit better this morning, and we anticipate we'll kind of, hopefully, I mean, quite honestly, what we need in our industry is we just need a leveling off and just kind of a range that we're at. If we can be even if we could get down to 6.5 right now, be in mid sixes to high sixes, and let's live there for a little bit, we're okay. We anticipate, and the Fed came out as well and said, hey, we're kind of thinking we need to maybe back off. I mean, they're giving some other signals like they might slow down. We still think in December.
Another half point or so.
At least a half. They were saying 3/4. I think they'll end up doing a half. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. But so we'll kind of see what happens. But then I think they're going to let it be. And then I think we're still going to go, head deep into a recession. Then they'll start to back it off as their tool, right?
But we floated in those
Yeah.
sixes for a decade.
And that's okay,
Yeah.
right? If we could float there, and then we can do. Then we're using some of the same tools that we talk about, like this. Everybody talks about like a 2-1 buy down. What is a 2-1? It just means you start at 2% under wherever the prevailing rate is, right?
Kind of like buying a new construction property where your taxes are a little bit lower for the first year.
There you go.
And then you get right back
Yep.
into fully,
That's a great
fully
way to
assessed
say it.
taxes, and so it's not something. I mean, it's helpful, right? But
It's helpful.
But you have to qualify for the higher.
Yeah.
Right.
You still have to
Everything's
qualify at what the rate is going to be
Well, yeah, 'cause
eventually,
you-
which makes sense, right? That would.
Well, yeah, because you don't want to get to a situation where you're 2 years out and you're like,
I could
hope
never
I
have
make
afforded
more
that.
money.
Right, right.
Yeah, we're
that's
not going
a
to
good
hope
spot
on
to
that
be
thing.
in.
So anyway, so rates are improving a little bit. We'll see if it sticks, right? We got to see if it sticks or not. The elections, are kind of a mixed bag. Yesterday, the day after the elections, we saw the stock market kind of sell off, and now we'll see what happens here again. And elections do affect things, and we'll see what happens. And the state of Minnesota doesn't, but nationally, we'll see what happens. We got a couple runoff states, it looks like. Yeah, so we'll see kind of where the balance of power.
Lost, man. It's been lost for decades.
It's a little bit. It's pretty blue.
Seems
you
like
know,
we're
pretty
clawing
blue.
back though a little bit, but
So we'll kind of see what happens. We talked earlier, Keith, this morning just about if you want to we use the example of somebody who was in a property, a $200,000 loan at 3.5% back in the day, and just sat
Like
there.
or back in the days.
More than likely, here's the reality.
Okay.
More than likely, they bought that house for $200,000 at probably like a high 4s rate.
Mm-hmm.
They refinanced, so they got a better rate over the course of maybe the last 5 years.
Yep.
So they were reaping the rewards of that lower price,
Right.
and so they're sitting at maybe 3.5% now on a house that they bought for $200K, and they got about $150,000 in equity. So what can we do?
Mm-hmm.
That's the question.
Yep.
They've been there for 15 years, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did in our example is just took a new home and said, okay, we're going to go from a $200,000 loan at 3.5%. Now we're going to use that equity. We're buying a $450,000 home, 150 into it, so we have a $300,000 loan now, which is realistic. The difference in that principal and interest and property taxes, because you got to factor both. They're still
Sure.
home, the difference in that payment, you go from a payment of $1,089 to a payment of $2,281, so a difference of about $1,200.
So let's shed some color on that, though.
Yep.
More than likely, you were maybe a single guy or gal who bought that house to begin with.
Yep.
Maybe you've hooked up with somebody. Maybe you got a kid now, so you know a dual-income household with a small child, or maybe two, and you're looking to buy a bigger home for your growing family.
Mm-hmm.
You're in a really good spot,
Mm-hmm.
really good equity position. You can take that money and you can do a lot of things with it. You can take that money and put it all down towards the loan, which is what we've done in this example. But you can also take some of that money and buy down the interest rate,
Mm-hmm.
or you can do a 2-1 buy down so you can have that kind of
You can
easing
stair
into the
step
new
into it,
payment
yep.
over the course of the next year and two until
Mhm.
you're fully amortized at the higher rate.
Or you
right?
can put it into a 5-year arm if you qualify and
Yep.
get even better situation.
Yeah, I think our 5-year arms are going to probably drop down to maybe around 5.5 now. So,
Okay.
I mean, that's still a really attractive rate for a 5-year arm. Now, in that particular product, right, I mean, you got to fit in the box, and the
Mhm.
box has strong walls on it.
Right.
Right.
Like
You can't-
good credit.
great credit, low debt to income ratios,
What is great credit?
740 plus.
740
Yep.
plus. is-
740
okay.
plus is the minimum to get in.
And I think
know.
that's okay. I mean, I know past clients of mine that are in that exact same position.
Yep.
Helped them buy a great house back in 2010 or 12. So it's about 10
Mhm.
years, 12
Yeah.
years ago that they've been living there. They were single. They've been married. They added a couple kids. Great equity position. They both have better jobs than they did to begin with. And, they're looking to make a move. And you can do that. And at some point in the future, probably get a rate drop. But if not, you still have a nicer home. And the question is, will you be in that house maybe another 15 years with a couple of kids? That house is in like the mid-4s range. You probably will. You'll be
Yep.
there another 10, 15 years. Your
Mhm.
kids are ingrained in the school district. And will that house be worth more money 15 years from now?
Absolutely.
Of course it will.
Yeah.
Of
Right.
course it will.
Right.
So it's a
Mhm.
good opportunity for people. And you're not going to be competing against 25 people.
Right.
Like legitimate offers. We were having competition in situations where we had legitimate 25 offers on properties, 85 to 90 showings over a 2-day period.
Mhm.
Like that's the crazy activity that we're in.
Mm-hmm.
And we had people bow out and just be like,
Can't do it.
I'm not
Right.
going to make an offer on that property because I just can't compete.
Yep.
Well, right now,
You're
not a lot
getting
of competition.
concessions. Yeah.
You're not a lot of competition.
No,
and
we're-
in the very nice homes that are priced at or even just a hair below market, we're still getting great
Mm-hmm.
activity. But maybe we get 1 or 2
Yeah.
offers,
Mhm.
hopefully.
Right.
But you only need one. You only
Mhm.
need one. So
And again, I'll just put out, we talked about last week, again, if you call in and talk about the radio show or that you saw us on social media or you saw us on the radio show or heard us on the radio show, we're going to offer you a 1-0 buy down free of charge. So that's a 1% off your rate. So if, let's say we're at $699, we're going to be at $599 that first year in transition. No cost to you, not coming out of anybody's side, just something we're doing as a promotion right now to say, hey, we'll give you the 1% off. Your first year is kind of an interest rate buster, and we'll go from there. So
that sounds like a
Yeah.
good deal.
it's a great
Yeah.
deal, right? 1% off.
So
Come
they
on.
got to call 651-231-2500.
Can't call anybody
Can
else.
they text you that number? I
They
think that's
can-
it.
No, I want them to call me.
Okay.
I got to have a conversation. I want to be like Mike, right? I want to go out.
Can
meet
they text you,
everybody.
hi, I heard you on the radio, call me?
Yes, that'd be great.
Okay.
That'd be great. So we'll do that. So quickly.
651-231-2500 is that number.
So tell me real quick, inventory. What do you got on the market? What are you excited about selling right now, Keith? I know
Actually,
you have a really nice property.
I have a nice property in Eden Prairie that actually is sold contingent, and what I would love to do is get the backup townhouse sold. So I'm going to be going over there. You caught me off guard, so I don't have the address of that property.
Yeah,
It's a Coldwell Banker listing, and it's a 3-bedroom. If you just search in Eden Prairie,
Go to your website, you'd see it, right?
yeah, it's the only 3-bedroom townhouse in Eden Prairie that's for sale for under $400,000. So I mean,
Wow. That's great.
yeah. So if you need a
You
3-bedroom,
need that house to sell.
What
I need
if
that
what
one
if
to
somebody
sell.
really loves your property?
they
in
can
Prairie?
come in. Yeah, absolutely. I'll be there on this weekend from noon to 2. You can
Oh,
come
really?
and see it.
Okay.
The Vikings, don't worry, they're not going to
Both Saturday and Sunday you'll be there?
I'll be there on Sunday.
Sunday,
they're gonna
noon
beat
to
the Bills.
2.
They're
Huh?
gonna be.
Where are you
going
going to shut up?
Okay.
Where are you going to be?
Where are you going to be?
On Beverly Drive in Eden Prairie. Want to now? See, I don't have the number of the house.
This is a real estate show.
I realize.
You don't
that.
know the
You guys
address of
just
your own
got
damn
all this
listing?
ad-libbing
So
here.
go on to our
Beverly
website
Drive.
and you
It's
can
Beverly
see
16819 Beverly
There
Drive.
you go. 16819
Boom.
Beverly Drive. Boom.
noon to 2 on Sunday,
Noon
and
to
you can
2.
see Senior live.
That's right.
That's more important, is that you can
That's a
see
big
and
deal.
talk to Senior live,
Yeah, in
host of
person.
Real Estate Chalk Talk
In person.
on AM 1280 The Patriot. We're going to head out for this week. Give us a call, 612-627-8000. Mike, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me, guys.
We'll
Always.
see you next week.
You've been listening to your Real Estate Chalk Talk with the Hittner Group, the leaders of the #1